Discuss about assignment economic 2. 2. Okay, question 1. What
Ni
are
lesson kan?
asset? What is asset? Okay, please also discuss about asset over time. Okay, asset is a useful or valuable thing, but in financial accounting, asset is a resource owned or controlled by a business or economic entity. Okay, asset is the one accounting and equation, and the balance sheet is presented asset equal to liabilities and stockholder. Okay, about the example balance sheet, we can see the example asset, which is the non-current asset and current asset. Okay, the non-current asset in real estate, plants, and equipment work in progress in 2018 to 2019. The result is increased, and the work in progress increased too. The current asset, which is student debtor, other debtor, deposit, fixed deposit, and cash on hand in bank. Also decrease, increase, decrease. Okay, in question 2, what the total asset for 2019 compared to asset 2018? Discuss the increase in the value of the asset. Okay, the two type of asset, which is current asset and non-current asset. Second, current asset, all the asset company that are expected to be sold or used in a result of a standard business operation over the next year. Current asset include a cash account, receivable, stock, inventory, marketable, and prepaid liabilities. Non-current asset is a company long-term investment for which the full value will not release within the accounting year. For example, non-current asset include investment in other companies, intellectual property, and plant and equipment. That's all for question 1 and question 2. Shafiq, question kamu.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Shafiq. I will answer question number 1. C. What are liabilities? The definition of liabilities is a combination of debts and obligations owned by individuals or companies to external parties. For everything owned by the company is classified as an asset, and all amounts owned by the company for the future obligation are recorded as a liability. So the liability generally divided into 3 categories, such as short-term liabilities, long-term liabilities, and other liabilities. Short-term liabilities that are due within 1 year or less, such as salary expenses, rent, and account debt. Long-term liabilities are debts and other non-debt financial obligations that mature over a year, such as debentures, loans, deferred tax liabilities, and pension obligations. Lastly, other liabilities. When something in the financial statement is referred to as other, is usually means unusual. So, from total liabilities for 2018, we can see the total liabilities is 603,606,457, while the total of assets of 2008 is 645,591,483. So we can find the total liabilities with total assets minus equality. After that, when the liabilities are larger, it does not mean not financial indicators of poor entity economic quality. Based on the available interest rates for the company, the business may acquire the assets by incurring liabilities. Furthermore, when the liability exceeds the asset, this means that the owner's capital has become negative because it is the same as the asset less the liability. This means that if the business is closed today, the capital becomes negative, the liability cannot be fully repaid, and the owner will not be able to recover even the amount he has invested in the business. Lastly, we can conclude we're not getting because the amount is not enough to repay the liability. Lastly, we can conclude that if a successful company has more assets than liabilities, which means having the resources to fulfill its responsibilities. Therefore, both sides of the balance sheet must also be balanced. From the research, if the liabilities greater than assets for the construction of the main campus in university, so what we can suggest is the company need to take a closer look at the company's ability to pay its obligation. For question 2, what are the key revenues and the total revenue for 2019? Based on revenue, who is the most important client of the university? What must you do to retain this client? So we must know first, the definition of revenue is the list at the top of the company's income statement. Revenue is what a company receives from the product sales, usually tailored to revenue. So the total revenue increased from 2018 to 2019. Client is an investor that invests something for university. So the most important client of the university is investor or sponsorship, such as Petroleum Nasional Berhad, Petronas, Telekom Malaysia, Yayasan Satu Malaysia, and others. Actually, student is a temporary client and not for a long term because the number of students will change every year. Since the true client for university is an investor for the business purpose. Lastly, the university should be very attractive with a variety of reasons in order to attract government to sponsor them, also to attract investor for some share in the university. So, thank you.
Okay, now for the question 2B, what is capital expenditure in the government university of development fund is set up for this expenditure? Number 2, what is operating expenditure? What was the total expenditure of the university for 2019? What does it mean if revenue is less than expenditure? And the last one, why had this happened? Okay, for the capital expenditure, is an amount to spend acquire or significantly improve the capacity or capability of a long-term asset like a machine, building that company needed or demands. Number 2, operating expenditure. What is operating expenditure? It's ongoing cost for running a business, product or system. It's like same like a modal in when you do a business. And number 3, total expenditure for 2019 is 868, 510 and 37. Revenue. What is revenue? When the revenue less than expense, your expense is higher than what you're going gain or profit. It's because revenue is gross profit. As net income equal to revenue minus expense. Why had this happen? Because the total expenditure is increased. Okay, C. What will you consider as fixed cost for the university? Fixed cost for the university has a 12 type of fixed cost. That is government grant, other grant, student fees, other emolument, supply and service, other expenses, thus depreciation of asset, plant and equipment, bad debts, less reward, less devaluation of asset, employee benefit, income loss before tax, income loss after tax. So the total for 2019 is 236 million 46,038 ringgit, and the total cost for 218 is 2,396,491 ringgit. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Asrul Arif bin Azman, matric number AA20028. Today I would like to discuss about the question of 2D. So the question is, what will be the fixed cost and variable cost per student? So the fixed cost is unaffected by changes in activity level, and variable cost vary in total with the quantity of output or similar measure of activity phase. So the fixed cost during 2019 is 34,958,878. We divide with 20,000 of student, we can get the price is RM 1,747 ringgit 94 cent. Then for the variable cost, the price during 2019 is RM 12,117,943 ringgit. We divide with 20,000 per student, 20,000 student, we can get RM 605 and 90 cent. Next question is estimate the cost per student per year borne by the university. So borne by the university, supplies and service is RM 1,013,402,021,000 and 496. We divide with 2,000 students, we can get RM 5,671 and 7 cents. So compare this to fees paid by the student. How can the cost per student per year be reduced? Observation, calculation and suggestion for further action. Okay. Observation. Based on the table, the total cost borne by the university is higher than the fees paid by student. So the conclusion is, in conclusion, the fixed cost and variable cost will affect all the total of the cost of student in a year. So the university need to give attention at this part in order to make sure the university gain profit from the overall cost per student. Suggestion, from my opinion, I think the university need to find many sponsors from the government or another big company to reduce the price of student per year can be reduced. Secondly, I think university must eliminate or reduce activity club that it can make communication and utility decrease. That's all for me. Assalamualaikum.